Hold on. One more time. Edge tip.
Where's the sound at?
Here's what you need to know about finance. It's all about interest. All right, this is Andrew, Chris, and Morley. Yeah, well, we're all drunk.
Idea.
That makes sense. Andrew, Chris, and Jack. So let me go fix the camera. You go stand there. Gonna be recording you some. We don't know yet. Could be some mixture of physics, chemistry, math. We don't know yet. Okay, well, okay. I guess that's fine. Whatever. And we're gonna fix the camera. Now go stand like you normally would.
So I always stay on the recording.
Oh, Morley's in here.
My bad, man.
Okay. I'm gonna break
Honestly,
the.
the only way that I ever get nervous is I just like re-record.
Nah, I'm nervous.
7, 8
Nah.
Here's the lineup, everybody.
Morley's up. Morley, you're up.
No,
Topic to do.
a topic,
Do,
but not a question.
Finance.
Okay, finance. We'll do finance.
Alright.
Just integrals.
That's
Okay.
just like Riemann sums are like fucking from the right to the left, right?
Riemann sums. That's perfect. That's from right. That's all you need to
No,
say.
yes, Riemann sums for sure.
Maybe
For sure.
Riemann sums.
Nothing's worse.
Nothing's worse than accounting.
What do you, the viewer, want him to do?
Why do you think that whenever I came in to interview, they're like,
Yo,
"Hey,
let me do some,
Can you do accounting?" I'm like, I'm here to interview for finance. And they're like, no, that's not what we asked you. Like,
We can cut that out. We can edit that out.
You,
Because yeah, seriously, I came in, I was
Let
like,
me do
yeah,
some
I'm perfect. I'm
board-
perfect at finance.
yeah, I want to do. I can give you valence electrons and how you bond shit.
Valence electron.
Valence. Oh, it's
No, that's no. That's
Oh,
what Jack
valence?
wants. This is correct. Jack wants that.
What's the probability that two people have birthday on the same day? That's your birthday problem.
Okay, so that's all that matters. Here's what you need to know about finance. Okay, so all that matters in finance is interest. In interest, we denote with the letter I. There's some other variables you need to know. Okay, so nu is 1 over 1 plus I. I'm not making that up. Okay? I'm not making that shit up. I know it's going out of focus, but you got to fucking deal with that. Give me a beer. Where's the beer? Where's mine? Where's mine? I know there's one more in here.
You want one? Okay.
I don't know where it went. I don't know if I
You're
need.
supposed to be doing finance right now.
Gotta be doing finance.
You're not-
All right, so here's the thing. What's important about finance is present value and future value and interest. Those are all the things you know. Number 1, interest. Number 2, present value.
Not in that one.
In that order. Present value and future value. The present value, the present value. That was a Coke. And the future value of an investment is what it's worth in the future. Let's just pretend that I made $1,000. He's right here. He's gonna be on the camera a bit later. From blowing Chris. How much is that money gonna be worth?
I'm trying to give you fucking
Listen,
advice.
I don't need advice. I got it. Okay, so the $1,000 that I have now, the 10% of interest that I'm gonna get on that $1,000, which is 100. Marker suck. I don't know why I need that many parentheses around the 1 plus I, but it needs to be protected. 1.1 times 1,000 is 1,011. And 1,000. What?
How do you know 10% is 0.1?
See, that's the thing. It's magic. $1,100. 1,000 plus 100 is 1,100. In case you didn't know that. 1.1 again. Well, this is where we grab the calculator. Oh, I can do 1.1 times 1,100. That's gonna be. I can. That's gonna 1,210. 1.1 times 1,100 is 1,200. And you can grab. You can grab your calculators at home and double check me. 1,210. 1,210. 110 is more than 100. All right, that is the truth. You can check me on that. There's a formula for it that I don't know, and you're gonna have to. You're gonna have to figure that out on your own at home. Good luck. And we're gonna pass it on over to who's next. We've got Andrew with finance. You learned everything you know about finance. That's why I put a little happy face. We got some Calc 1 Riemann sums with Morley coming up right now.
I feel like I need to like make up like.
E is equal to 1 plus r to the nt.
No one knows. Nobody knows. Nah, I just know like the concept behind Riemann sums.
You know. Find the Riemann sum of the.
Well, yeah, I mean, you have fucking. He doesn't know, folks. Is we're trying to find the integral under the curve that is defined by this. It's y equals Riemann sums are fucking
Spit it
dumb.
down.
Fucking smiley face. Doesn't really matter. because we're just trying to figure out the fucking concept behind it, right? I think there's two N's right there. Riemann. I don't really know how to spell it. Yeah, because I'm smart. There we go. Riemann sums. But there we go right there.
You're not drunk enough for drunk calc.
So you can either do it from the right or from the left, right? If we do it from the right, so 8, then 6, then 4, then 2, then 0, right? That are under these curves. So if we like think about it, like figure out the area, and Cal comes into the camera at some point. No, we're gonna have this fucking white space, man.
I don't believe you.
I'll show you white space, but I'll show you it in blue because apparently, so that's not gonna be fucking accurate.
Show me the white space. Show me the white space.
Right? Oh, a little bit right there, a little bit right there. It shouldn't be white space because it's fucking stupid. A little bit right there, a little bit right there, right? Which I'm not smart enough to do. I'm the Riemann sum tutor, and like Andrew is like the fucking actual integral tutor. So, you know, whatever. We find that value, the y value is fucking 16, right? One thing that we know. Okay, we'll do a little fucking triangle.
Love it.
Fucking, if you remember from 9th grade, you had a little fucking chart like that, but if you're smart, then you didn't fucking need that. So, who gives a fuck? Yeah, hopefully you are that because you're in college now. Shit, we're going down way too low. Shit, how do we find the area of a rectangle? So 2, it's at fucking 10. Fucking length times width, man. Are you kidding me? Length, right? It's a fucking curve. We don't really know exactly. Times cursive W. That doesn't look like cursive W. By a capital A. Let's just do that. Capital A with a circle because you're a fucking anarchist and you really don't give a shit and you love the movie SLC Punk, right? X, which is 8, times 16, which is the y, and like that's going to give the area of that rectangle. But no, what we have to do is realize that at this value of x, that's the value of, x equals 8, but then it's like right next to a value of x equals 6. So really, so the fucking width isn't fucking 8. No, it's not all the way fucking from the origin. No, it's fucking 2.
What happens if you take the limit as the width approaches 0?
That's for me to explain.
I'm pretty sure that Punnett Squares, whenever you watch Rich's videos, that's gonna explain that. So yeah, that's involving like whenever your parents have sex and like you have like fucking Punnett Squares that look like this. If you have blue eyes right now, then it's probably because both of your parents have blue eyes.
They're so fucked up. It's a Punnett triangle.
Really like sexually active or something. Then so then you have 4. The difference between these two is again 2. Which too many fucking lines to really calculate. Dude, 2 times 16, which is, most of the time it's like fucking 32, I think. But Andrew in the next video is telling me 38. And then 1 times 8 is 7. 2, 124, 104, 132.
Listen, folks. 40 plus 32 plus 20 plus 8 is 132. Jack, you're up.
Suck it, dick.
Here, I got this.
Just because I know your name is Richard.
Valence.
I like the heckling though.
I really
like the.
I'm not actually calling you a Jack. I just know your name is Richard.
I got this.
He's learning about. He's learning us
really
about.
adds to the. No, whoa, paperweight, man, paperweight. Make sure no one sees this video. I'm gonna drop a lot of N-bombs. There's also going to be a lot of just really offensive shit. I'm going to work a lot of my Boston material in. As soon as the first bomb went off, I've been working on it for several days now. So here's what I'm going to talk about. I was already working on my Boston material. I'm going to do some problems, put me on full screen mode, close out Facebook chat. And that's a joke you'll get. If you don't work at Study Edge, then you're lucky.
Wait.
You're lucky, because...
We got to give you an edge tip. Edge tip!
You guys hear the one about the Native American? Yeah, you guys fucked up. This one time I was hanging out with Native American, and I was like, hey man, you guys have houses, why you got TP? I heard that joke from a live comedian. Why? Because I made Native American jokes? Also, I think the thing is frozen on, just wait till I get to my black humor. Because that shit goes hard. Because I'm serious. I'm the producer. I'm fucking face cam right now. And the director. You don't even know what's going on over here. And I'm the motherfucking content creator.
Tell us about Valence.
Also, I'm partially... Alright, so here's the way it fucking works when you're doing chemistry. When you're doing chemistry, you got some shit. And you got this, like, table, right? You got some stuff. So here's the table. And then you got more of the table. Right here, you got some fucking hydrogen. Fucking helium. And then that's not there. But then you also have this other level. And down here, you got some other shit. I don't fucking have this shit memorized. Fucking carbon, oxygen, fucking neon. I don't know. Don't just have this shit memorized. You get it on your exam. You have these elements, right? And so each element is the first fucking column. What does that tell you? yo, fuck you, fan. That these fucking elements have like one fucking electron, right? So this one's got one. The ones over on the end, they don't give a shit about anything. Everyone in the middle is trying to fuck, right? Because they've got fucking 8 electrons in their fucking valence electron band. So all those fucking elements, they're trying to get their dick wet. Alright, so let's fucking pick an example. So here's my oxygen. O is for oxygen. Oxygen has, it's got fucking electrons that don't give a shit. There'll be 2 pairs of electrons in oxygen's outer band. And those electrons are lonely as shit. So what's going to happen is you got this other fucking oxygen that's going to come in. That's going to be like, yo, man, what's up? You want somebody to finish those beers with you. Why are you just like hanging out by yourself? And so this other oxygen comes in. And he's like, yo, man, let's just like chill and share this shit. You got a fucking double bond. You want them to have 4 pairs. You got your dick up there, better than just a single bond, and also your fingers in her asshole at the same time. It's a win-win situation for everybody except her asshole. And so, now what happens if you introduce a fucking hydrogen? We're drinking that shit right now. This is the H2O bottle.
Yeah, right. Word.
So what a hydrogen is that's the lowest one, cause hydrogen's from the hood, man.
That's what it has.
This is all hydrogen got to work with. Hydrogen's got some street smart, lowest income possible. But hydrogen doesn't have shit when it comes to like net value. Oxygen's just fucking hanging out, rich white kid from the burbs, fucking got all these electrons. And what happens when these 2 hydrogens roll up? Yo, man, I got this fucking electron just hanging out. Let's fucking throw our electrons together. This is all I got. This is all I got. And now all of a sudden we're like the dopest shit around, right? I'm gonna chill on those pairs. But you know what the oxygen does is he takes this other pair. And he's going to break that shit up. So he's like, all right, yo, hydrogen 1, you get one. Hydrogen 2, you get the other. And since you guys are from the hood, you know what it's like to just, like, hang out and just fuck, you can watch my back. And now you get this fucking awesome-ass chemical that we all drink all the time that makes us be alive. It takes 2 hydrogen to make this shit work. Who fucking gives a shit? Now there's an extra electron floating around. It's sort of like your mom, and just fucking have its way with it. The last time that I hung out with her, and no one cares about the inner shit. All right, Andrew.
That's all.
As long as you know everything that's in this video.
There's nothing else to learn.
Listen, then you're pretty much set for the rest of your college career.
Finance, valence electrons, and Riemann sums.
That's all you need to know.
Listen, when you get your diploma from Bernie Mac,
Seriously.
there's nothing else to learn.
No,
That's it. Bernie Mac's gonna say, "Listen, do you know Riemann sums?" You're gonna say, "Yes, because I watched this video." Bernie Mac. You're gonna say, "Do you know valence electrons?" Yes, I do know what valence electrons because I watched this video. Bernie Mac. And then when it asks the match, do you know anything about finance? You're gonna say yes because I watched this video.
Then when Bernie Mac asks you if you know anything about anything, you're gonna be like, "Oh wait, shit, you're dead." So like, I don't really know anything.
Nope, this video's over.